ways you may not yet fully comprehend. Remember to cherish these connections and support one another. After grade 12 is a life full of surprises and challenges. Katulad ng isang manlalakbay, when you are lost, find your north. In the north, you have to find your end, your nature. Find the best of who you are, your uniqueness. Nurture your nature. Know your competencies to find O, which is opportunities. Do not wait for your luck. Prepare for opportunity. Find also your R, relationships. Build good relationship, and good relationship begins at home. Let's go to T. Find your track. It is important to know where are you heading.
E. Read honors. Dr. Cyrene May E.
Talent, but also the hard work and determination. At this juncture, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to the following